Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to show and hide device menu items and switch control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility and then Tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the switch control. Then in this part in the switch control, scroll down and go to menu items and then tap. Then in this part in the menu items, tap the device. Then in this part in the device, you can now show and hide the items that you want in your menu items. For example, you want to hide the app switcher, just tap the check mark until it has been removed to hide its item. And also, if you want to show your app switcher under the device menu items, just tap it again until there's a check mark on the side, just like this. And that's it. We have successfully show and hide device menu items and switch control on iPhone X. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!